All right, number 3, kind of a tough read, I think. It says, let n be the smallest integer such that the sum of the digits of the sum of the digits of n is 11. What is the sum of the digits of the sum of the digits of n plus 1? It's a tongue twister. So I'm going to go to the whiteboard and try to think about it. And again, this is number 3. And what do I know? The sum of the digits of n. Let me read that again. Let n be the smallest integer. So n is the smallest integer. For example, let's say this was the case over here. The sum of these 3 digits would be 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the sum of those digits would be 6. All right? Again, you're just working your way down. If the number was 1, 2, 3, 4, the sum of those digits, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the sum of those digits is 1. So I'm going to say you could play that game all day long, but I don't think that's what they're asking for. Get my eraser out. You got to start thinking. Right? Let n be the smallest integer such that the sum of the digits of the sum of the digits of n is 11. So I know the sum's 11. Right? Of those, whatever number is there, the sum of the 2 digits have to be 11. So I'm going to, what's the smallest, the sum of the digits of n, let me just read that again. So the n is the smallest integer, so the sum of the digits, of the sum of the digits of n is 11. Well, let's think about that. So I'm going to say, the number that produced this, the smallest number that could produce that would be what? Well, the digits would have to be, the numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3. The smallest possible number that could produce that would be 29. Again, there's got to be a 9 and 2 in it. The other possibility, it could be 92. Now, granted, you could go to a 3-digit number, but that just makes the other number, kind of more outrageous, I guess, right? It's not. I say 29. All right? Let's take a look at that now. All right, so I'm working my way backwards to this number over here. And I need numbers. I need digits over here that sum up to 29. Well, let's say it's a 3-digit number. I'd say 9, 9, 9. And that's not 29, right? So I'm going to say it's got to be a 4-digit number. And I'm going to try to work my way backwards from the digit 9, 9, 9. That would give me 27. So this has to be a 2. All right? So if I start out with n equals 2,999, the sum of its digits would be what? 29, right? And the sum of its digits would be 11, which is what they said it is. So what's the number over here? N has to be 2,999. Let me go back and read that again and see. You know what? I don't think they asked for that, but I'll go. I know n is 299. Let's go back and read it again. Let n be the small integer such that the sum of the digits is 11. We just verified that. What's the sum of the digits of the sum of the digits, of n plus 1? Let's write this down. So n plus 1 is 3,000. What's their question? What is the sum of the digits? The sum of the digits of n plus 1. Let's write this down. The sum of those digits is 3. And what's the sum of that? Is 3. So the answer is 3. Thank you.